Hi guys, I just got done taking Jordan Mackey's by 9 to 5 YouTube masterclass, and I cannot say enough about it. Jordan has completely laid things out from beginning to end, and has given some great knowledge in regards to his experience with YouTube, because honestly, I started thinking about wanting to start a YouTube channel probably for the past 2 years, and it already felt like that ship kind of already sailed. If I hadn't jumped in, 5 years ago when it was, kind of a newer thing, that, my chances are pretty slim at getting monetized and to be able to start earning some money on YouTube. But I actually have 2 channels, and they're both monetized, and I'm completely excited about that. I cannot say enough about Jordan's techniques, and he definitely goes into everything that you need to know and makes it simple to learn. It isn't anything complicated. It's just, he teaches you his secrets and makes things so simple. I can't say enough. I love it, and I keep referencing back to it. And some other things that Jordan has added in is he also gives you his email address, and he's also got 2 Facebook groups with other students of his that are more than happy to help you out. And everybody kind of shares their story on there and asks questions, and everybody jumps in to help. And sometimes I use that just to search to see if somebody's asked a question. So there's so many resources. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel and you thought the ship had already sailed like I did, Jordan's gonna prove you wrong. So that's it for now, guys. And thank you, Jordan. I can't say enough about what you've done and with this course. And I will see you guys on YouTube.